Adding a map to your movie project can really help your viewer visualize the different locations that you're filming within your video. To add a map, simply go over to the Map Browser button, which is on the toolbar, the very far right. Go ahead and click on it. The very top of that window, you'll see the different map templates that are available. There are 12 of them. Decide which one that you would like to use. I'm going to select Watercolor Globe. So I'm going to click on it and then drag it and drop it into my project. An inspector window will open. In the inspector window, you'll want to click on Start Location. By default, this is Chicago. And since my video is video shots of different locations on Eastern's campus, I'm going to identify Charleston, Illinois on my map, since Eastern's in Charleston. So I'll go ahead and click on Chicago. This will spin around, and now I just simply type in the city that I would like to have displayed on my map. I've typed in Charleston, and one of my options is Charleston, Illinois, so I'll go ahead and select that and click OK. Now you'll see that my map updated right over here, and now we have a dot for Charleston, Illinois. A couple things. If I wanted to add an end location to this, let's say that this video was about a vacation from Charleston, Illinois to maybe Paris, France. I would go ahead and check that I wanted to add a end location, and then by default the location here is Paris. If I wanted to change that location, I would do the same thing as I did before. Click on Paris, the window would spin around, and I would type in the location that I wanted to choose. Since I want to choose Paris, I'm going to leave it alone. Click Done, and then it becomes a dual point map. And if I go ahead and play over that, you'll see how that illustrates a trip from Charleston, Illinois to Paris, France. The other thing that I wanted to point out is sometimes you may want to identify a location that is not found within the map. So double click on the map and your inspector window will open again. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck end location. And let's pretend that Eastern is actually in a small town near here, which is called Oakland. So I'm going to type in Oakland for Oakland, Illinois, and lo and behold, there is nothing. So I think, well, what's the next biggest city to Oakland, which probably would be Charleston, and we know that that's there because we've chosen before, which is great, except it's going to say Charleston over here on the map. So we can trick it. Down here is a field called Name to Display on Map. I simply click in there and erase Charleston, delete Charleston, and type in Oakland. And if I want to, I can even identify Illinois, Oakland, comma, IL, and click OK. And then you can see that the map has been updated to our smaller location.